Oh, engineers, कैसे हो आप सब? Hopefully you are well. I'm also fine. Today we are going to discuss about very basic concept, conditional statement. Conditional statement like if you have any condition or you have multiple decision making. That case we apply the conditional statement. Conditional statement like if else, if if else condition, if else conditions, nested if, switch case. There are the so many conditions we apply. What is the exactly use? Exactly use if you have multiple choices. Maybe the maybe value will be greater than condition will be true, maybe less than the condition will be false, or it will help to for to understand user, or it will for to more options also. Let's go ahead. What is the conditional statement? Conditional definition: statement that control the flow of execution based on the condition true or false. Java evaluate the Boolean expression true or false. Example: age check, login validation, marks, and ATM pin validation. Type of conditional statement in Java. Overview: if statement, if else statement, if else if, nested if, switch statement. if statement if statement, that is very simple statement, like we have give the statement and then the sorry, first we have provided first we provided the condition, then execution. Example, like we have provided the variable here and this is the condition, and then system.out.println, this is the execution code, or this is the condition. If it is true, then print this. If else, there is the two conditions, like if condition, then else block. Example, see, here we have assigned the int number equal to 7, or if number modulo 2 equal to 0, then print even number, else print odd number. Else if there is the multiple options, like we have provided the if conditions and block 1 or the execution code, else if condition 2, block 2, else default block. Int marks equal to 85 if marks greater than equal to 90. System.out.println grade A. Else if marks greater than equal to 75. System.out.println grade B. Are you getting my point? What is I'm saying? First condition true, then print this one. Second condition true, print this one, and there are just so many block we can use for the multiple options. I will show you the code also. Best multiple conditions. Yeah. Nested first condition, then second condition, then the execution code. This is the nested inside the code, inside condition, inside the condition. That is the nested if. Int is equal to 25. Boolean has voter ID equal to true. If age greater than equal to 80, if has voter ID. System.out.println eligible to vote, else system.out.println vote ID required. Switch statement. Switch expression. Case value code break, case value to code break, and default code. Switch is the case where we are writing the code in the way of the cases, like in day equal to 3, switch day. Case 1, system.out.println Monday break. Case 2, in the way we are using. What will be happen? It will check the which one is the case is there, then come here and execute the specific one case code. Otherwise case is not matching, then it will go the default system.out printed invalid day. Uh, there is the very basic question which is asked frequently. What is the difference between if else or switch case? and if else work for the range and complex conditions, switch work for equality check with the discrete values. And can you use boolean in the switch? No, there is no boolean true false. What happen if we forgot to break? Fall through occur. So if you break that condition, so it will execute, it will never fall, it will never fail that particular case or condition. Fall through the occur. Yes. Recap. If single condition, if else true or false, if else multiple condition, nested if dependent condition, switch many discrete options. uh, so we have need to discuss about the real time, so let's go ahead. See, already I have written down because there are so much time I will waste while the writing in the while the video I write this. So if condition int a is main1 equal to 20, int a is main1 greater than 18, system dot out dot println, this is the way condition. And else if condition, this is the variable we have assigned, then the if condition and else condition. If else if int mark number 85, if mark number greater than equal to 90, system dot out dot println, else if system dot out dot println or else. Ex- Nested if inside the loop C, where this is the variable we have assigned, then this is the boolean variable with the true value, true condition. And if a is greater than more than 18, then if has a voter ID, system dot println, then it will. Once first condition true, then we need to check the second condition, system dot out dot println when eligible to vote. In the switch case, there is the case int day equal to 3, then it will check value is 3, then it will execute accordingly. So I will run for you. If condition, you are eligible to vote, and int number equal to 7, if number not dot modulo 2 equal to 0, then system dot out dot println, then is output is equal to odd number. And if marks is equal to 85, then grade B eligible to vote. If and woman equal to 25, then then eligible to vote. Switch day equal to 3, then it case is executed is then break it the Wednesday output. If your question is if we does not use the break condition in any case, so it never fail. It will execute. It will execute, or it will go with the next. It will never fail if we are not using break condition in this case. Okay.